Imagine this. What if an alien from a far-off galaxy came to Earth with the sole purpose of understanding us? A fascinating premise, isn't it? An unforeseen visitor from the cosmos, stepping foot on our blue planet, curious and eager. It would be an alien, yes, but one who is here to learn, not to conquer. This is not a tale of invasion, but of exploration and understanding. So the alien arrives. It's unlike anything we've ever seen. It doesn't speak our languages, yet it's here to comprehend us. How? Through observation. It watches us, studies us, and absorbs our ways of life. Our alien friend starts with the basics. It sees us wake up to the chirping of birds, rush to our jobs, return home to our families. It observes as we laugh and cry, argue and make peace. It discovers our love for music, art and literature. It watches us play sports, dance and celebrate. It marvels at our capacity to create and to destroy. Slowly, the alien starts to understand the complexity of human emotions. It learns of our joys and sorrows, our hopes and fears. It's astounded by our resilience, our ability to rise again after a fall. It's intrigued by our contradictions, how we can be so kind yet so cruel, so peaceful yet so violent. It observes our societies, our cultures, our politics. It sees how we unite and divide, how we love and hate, how we accept and reject. It's surprised by our diversity, yet our fundamental similarities. And as it learns, it starts to reflect. It wonders why we do what we do. It questions our motives, our desires, our goals. It's puzzled by our pursuit of power and wealth, our obsession with status and fame. It's saddened by our greed, our intolerance, our violence. But it's also inspired by our compassion, our generosity, our love. The time comes when the alien must return to its home planet. It's not the same being that arrived. It's learned so much, experienced so much. It carries with it a piece of us, a piece of Earth. Now, imagine if we could see ourselves through the eyes of this alien. What would we see? Would we be proud or would we be ashamed? Would we find wisdom or would we find folly? Would we find unity or would we find division? The alien's journey on Earth offers us a unique perspective. It encourages us to reflect on our actions, our behaviors, our values. It invites us to question, to learn, and to grow. Perhaps it's time we took a step back, viewed ourselves from a distance and pondered. Are we really the kind of beings we want to be? Are we really creating the kind of world we want to live in? Remember, it's only when we see ourselves from a different perspective that we can truly understand who we are. And it's only when we understand who we are that we can truly evolve. This is the lesson our alien friend leaves us with. It's a lesson of reflection, of introspection, of change. And it's a lesson we would do well to remember. After all, aren't we all, in some way, aliens on this strange, beautiful planet we call home?